Hi guys, welcome to Nurse Minute Scoop, memory tricks in a heartbeat. Today I'll be talking about the cardiac blood flow sequence. Now let's begin. Deoxygenated blood flow starts from the superior vena cava. After that, it then goes through our right atrium, followed by the first valve, tricuspid valve, and then it flows through your right ventricle to pulmonary valve, and then pulmonary artery, followed by the oxygenated blood that goes in through our left atrium, and then it goes through our pulmonary veins through our mitral valve, followed by our left ventricle and aortic valve to our aorta, which then send all the oxygenated blood through the rest of our body. And that's it. That's the whole blood flow circulatory sequence through our heart. I hope you'd like this video. Please don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!